Have you ever noticed how a single small feature can completely alter whether or not a phone is worth purchasing? With Samsung's next foldable, that is exactly what is taking place. Samsung is finally reintroducing the Fold after taking away one of its key features. To be honest, it's simply one of a number of unexpected modifications that we recently discovered. After completely vanishing on the Z Fold 7, the largest leak, the S Pen, is returning with the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. It seems like great news until you find out that not everyone is getting it from Samsung. You will need to purchase the Ultra model if you want S Pen support. The standard Galaxy Z Fold 8 is totally left out. Samsung is keeping some things exclusive as well. Additionally, there are rumors that the Ultra will feature a new 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, while the basic Fold will continue to have a less stunning configuration. Therefore, you are still paying flagship rates if you get the standard Z Fold 8, but you are already losing out on two of the most significant enhancements. It's very obvious that Samsung wants the difference between the Ultra and the basic Fold to be significantly greater this year. It makes sense from a business standpoint. However, veteran Fold users who have been pleading for the restoration of the S Pen since it vanished are likely to be hurt by this choice. Here's why, despite appearances, Samsung's S Pen strategy is becoming a much larger topic of discussion. There has never been more competition. The first foldable iPhone from Apple is almost here. Samsung must now defend its dominance from every angle, even though companies like Honor and Oppo have been promoting slimmer designs and significantly faster charging for several generations. Additionally, Samsung's choice to keep premium features behind the Ultra may end up annoying more consumers than benefiting them if Apple releases a foldable without dividing key functions across versions. Samsung is essentially taking that risk this year. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra is unquestionably turning into Samsung's most feature-rich foldable to date, despite the criticism. The enhancements include improved cameras, a larger battery, quicker charging, a better display, and the reintroduction of the S Pen. For as long as they are prepared to purchase the Ultra, Fold aficionados have been pleading. On July 22nd, we'll discover the true accuracy of these leaks. Please share your thoughts with me until then. Do you think the trade-offs are worthwhile, or will the restrictions push prospective customers to go elsewhere? Many people are excited to see if Samsung can actually deliver on the promised improvements, and the excitement surrounding the launch is still growing.